Add door access card to iPhone. NFC and Apple Wallet step-by-step setup. Step 1. Check requirements: iPhone XEs or newer, running iOS 16. Apple Watch, optional. Series 4 or newer, WatchOS up to date. Device security: Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode set. iCloud signed in, with 2FA enabled. Step 2. Confirm your access system supports Apple Wallet. If you're reusing Verkada, ensure your org has mobile NFC enabled and you reassigned an Apple Wallet credential. For apartment, condo, resident keys, confirm your property participates in Apple's Resident Key program. Step 3. Get the credential via the app or provided link. Verkada. Open the Verkada Pass app. Login. Tap Add to Apple Wallet on the home screen. When prompted, tap Add. Your badge is added as an express pass. Resident keys. Open the email, app text link from your property manager. Tap Add to Apple Wallet. Then follow the on-screen prompts. Step 4. Enable Express Mode. Express Mode allows tap to unlock without authentication, even when locked or in power reserve. By default, Express Mode is enabled after adding your key. To disable, go to Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay. Other cards, your badge, and toggle Express Mode off. Step 5. Optional. Add to Apple Watch. If paired, the credential usually syncs automatically. To add manually, open the Watch app, Wallet, and Apple Pay, next to the badge key. Step 6. Use your phone or watch to unlock. Hold the top of your iPhone or Apple Watch near the NFC reader. A checkmark, Done, will appear to indicate a successful unlock. With Express Mode off, open Wallet, authenticate, and then hold to reader. Step 7. Power reserve functionality on iPhones. Even after battery depletion, you can still unlock for up to 5 hours using Express Mode. Step 8. Manage or remove credentials. To remove or disable, go to Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay. Other cards, badge, then choose Remove Badge, or toggle off Express Mode.